Good day, class. You are connected to your English online class. Students, we are going to continue with worksheet number 44 related to the topic the pronoun. We have completed our section A, B and C. And now it's turn to go through section number D that relates to interrogative pronouns. It is given at page number 129. So let's go for it. We know that interrogative pronouns are used to ask question. जब हमें कोई क्वेश्चन पुट ऑन करना होता है we use interrogative pronouns. Here we are having conversation between Rahul and Rashil. So let's go for it. Rahul dash has come. Now Rahul is saying dash has come means he is asking a question, so we will add up who has come. Interrogative pronoun who. Who has come? Rahul is saying कौन आया है? Rashil. Dash happened. अब Rashil कहता है क्या हुआ है? What happened? What happened? Next is Rahul is answering I saw some suitcases in the lobby. Rahul is saying मैंने लॉबी में कुछ सूटकेस देखे थे. Rashil. Dash suitcase are you talking about? तुम किन सूटकेस की बात कर रहे हो? Dash suitcase. So we will go whose suitcase? Whose suitcase are you talking about? तुम किनके सूटकेस की बात कर रहे हो? Next is Rahul is saying the one in the lobby. वो एक जो मैंने लॉबी में देखा था. By the way, dash did you serve tea? अब कहता है बाय द वे ये तो बताओ डैश डिड यू सर्व टी. नाउ वी सी कि तुम किसको चाय सर्व कर रहे थे. whom did you serve the tea? The one in the lobby. By the way, whom did you serve tea? तुम किसको चाय सर्व कर रहे थे. Now Rashil will answer to myself खुद को because I was feeling tired क्योंकि मैं बहुत थका हुआ महसूस कर रहा था. नाउ अगेन राहुल लुक डैश कप हैव यू यूज्ड. नाउ अगेन सी राहुल इज सेइंग लुक डैश कप हैव यू यूज्ड. हुज कप हैव यू यूज्ड. देखो तुम किसका कप यूज कर रहे हो. किसका? हुज. अगेन रशिल विल आंसर योर्स तुम्हारा. यू वर नॉट हेयर तुम यहाँ नहीं थे. सो आई कुडंट टेक योर परमिशन इसीलिए मैंने तुम्हारी परमिशन नहीं ली. फॉर वॉट? बिफोर यूजिंग इट. इसको इस्तेमाल करने से पहले, कप को इस्तेमाल करने से पहले. इट किसके लिए यूज़ कर रहे हैं? फॉर द कप. एनी वे थैंक्स ब्रदर. कहता है कोई बात नहीं, थैंक यू ब्रदर. सो दिस वॉज द इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्वर्सेशन बिटवीन राहुल एंड रशिल. And our next section is section E. It will relate to relative pronoun. Now students, I have used the word that it will relate to relative pronoun. Now it is quite clear that relative pronouns presents the relation between the two sentences or the two clauses. So let's find out. The book dash you gave me has been lost. The book, जो बुक तुमने मुझे दी थी वो लॉस्ट हो गई है. द बुक दैट यू गेव मी, जो तुमने मुझे दी थी, हैज़ बिन लॉस्ट, वो गुम हो गई है. दिस इज़ द गर्ल डैश मदर स्लैप्ड यू. यह वो लड़की है जिसकी मम्मी ने तुम्हें थप्पड़ लगाया था, स्लैप किया था. दिस इज़ द गर्ल. नाउ वी सी दैट वी विल गो हुज मदर. This is the girl whose mother slapped you. Next is he lives in a house dash belongs to his friend. He lives in a house. वो एक घर में रहता है. अब घर के लिए हम क्या वर्ड यूज़ करेंगे? which belongs to his. आप यहाँ पर that वर्ड भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. He lives in a house that belongs to his friend. या which belongs to his friend. You can also recommend here. You can also go with the word that here. Okay. Next is God helps those dash help themselves. God helps those who help themselves. भगवान भी उनकी मदद करता है जो अपनी मदद खुद करते हैं. Who help themselves. Next is, this is the horse dash I bought yesterday. Now we see, this is the horse. यह वो घोड़ा है that I bought yesterday, जिसे मैंने कल खरीदा था. that I bought yesterday, जिसे मैंने कल खरीदा था. So class, this was your exercise related to relative pronoun, as it is presenting the relationship between two sentences and two clauses. Now let's move forward. Here we are having fill in the blanks with suitable pronouns. Here we are having jumble pronouns to fill in. This is the miscellaneous exercise. So let's start it. He killed dash with a sword. उसने तलवार से उसे मार दिया था. He killed dash with a sword. He killed him with a sword. Sword means तलवार. Dash has stolen my bag. Now who has stolen my bag? मेरा बैग किसने चुराया है? Who has stolen my bag? Next is, this is the same book dash you gave me. This is the same book which you gave me or that you gave me. Any word you can add up here. This is the same book which you gave me or that you gave me. Next is, dash of these roads leads to the station. Now we will add here which. Which of these two roads leads to the station? Now here students, keep it in mind that we will only go with the pronoun which. Here we can go with which or that, anyone, but here we are starting up the question, so we will add up which. कौन सी? Which of these roads leads to the station. कहते हैं इन दोनों में से कौन सी सड़क स्टेशन की तरफ जाती है. So कौन सी, for the word कौन सी we will go with which. Next is, have you seen the house dash he lives? Have you seen the house where he lives? क्या तुमने वो घर देखा है? Where he lives, जहाँ पर वो रहता है. Where he lives. Next is, these mangoes are for you and dash. Of course for me. ये आम तुम्हारे और मेरे लिए हैं. Next is, the climate of Shimla is colder than dash of Ambala. The climate of Shimla is colder. शिमला का क्लाइमेट बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा है. Than that of Ambala. अम्बाला के मुकाबले में. Than that of Ambala. Next is, your book is new. Mine is an old one. आपकी बुक नई है और मेरी बुक पुरानी है. Your book is new. Mine is an old one. So these were your exercises related to interrogative, relative and miscellaneous exercises. So class, I hope that these pronouns are quite clear to you. I again instruct you to go through it once again, and while filling, do it by your own. Keep on learning, keep on explaining. Thank you class. Good.